Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 1 5th of September 2020 question. Question number 16. If 3 to the power 2 sin theta minus 1, 14, 3 to the power 4 minus 2 sin 2 theta are first three terms of an AP for some theta, then sixth term of AP is equal to what? This is the question in the house of series, and it's a memory based question also. We know if three term a comma b comma c are in AP, so 2b is equal to a plus c. So 3 to the power 2 sin 2 theta minus 1, 14, 3 to the power 4 minus 2 sin 2 theta are in AP. So therefore 2 into 14 is equal to, we may write 3 to the power 2 sin 2 theta minus 1 plus 3 to the power 4 minus 2 sin 2 theta. Let, according to calculation, we may write 3 to the power 2 sin 2 theta is equal to, suppose t. So this equation become 2 into 14 is equal to 28, and 3 to the power t divide 3 to the power 2 sin theta divide 3, that means t by 3 plus 3 to the power 4 means 81 divide t here. So it is 28, and HCF is equal to 3t. So it is t square minus plus 243. Now t square minus plus 243 is equal to 3 into 28, that is 84 t. So here we get t square minus 84 t plus 243 is equal to 0. So middle term, when we done, then it become t minus 81 into 2 factor t minus 3 here. So that is equal to 0. So t is equal to 3 and 81. We know t is equal to 3 to sin theta. So 3 to the power 2 sin 2 theta is equal to, we may write 3 to the power 1 comma 3 to the power 4. So therefore 2 sin 2 theta is equal to 1 or 4 here. So sine of 2 theta is equal to half or 2. But we know sine theta's value must be in not 2 here. It is not possible, so this value is rejected here. So sine 2 theta is equal to half. Now putting this value in this equation, in this numbers, so we get the AP. Now the AP become as 3 to the power 2 sin theta minus 1. That means 2 into half minus 1 comma 14 comma 3 to the power 4 minus 2 sin 2 theta. That means 2 sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta means, so 2 into half, and it is 3 to the power 0. So 3 to the power 0 is equal to 1 here. It is 14, and it is 3 to the power 4 minus 3, that is 27. So it becomes an AP 1, 14, 27. So here we get common difference is equal to 13, and first term is equal to 1 here. So we should calculate 6th term of this AP. So 6th term of this AP. So here we write, therefore 6th term of this AP is equal to, we know A plus 5D, as 6th term is equal to A plus 5D, and here we get common difference is equal to 13 and first term is equal to 1. So first term is equal to 1 here, A is equal to plus 5 into 65, 5 into 13, that means 1 plus 65, that is equal to 66. So 6th term of the AP is equal to 66. So we reached, it is our required answer, and it is not option type question, it's just question answer type. So our final answer is 66. So here is the whole solution. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.